I hear the thunder and I see the lightning, but ladies and gentlemen, you can't have a flash flood without rain.
Wow. Really, look at the rain from
Well,
here.
this is a good time for me to give you a little weather demonstration. We create rain by having a series of above the ground sprinkler systems. We shoot the water straight up into the air and it falls down naturally, looking like rain. Well, this is an awful lot of rain. And with this much rain, there is bound to be a flash flood. Lady Gaga was swept away by our flash flood in her music video for the song Judas. Now, we create our flash flood by storing thousands of gallons